I was raised in San Francisco during the 1960s. I remember taking the cable car through the commercial district and admiring the architecture of the older hotel buildings. I recall walking through the lobbies, amazed at both the activity and the grandeur of these spaces. The larger hotels had ballrooms and restaurants where people could gather to celebrate special occasions or attend meetings. There always seemed to be an air of busyness and excitement around the hotels. Well, 30 years later, I am working in some of these same old buildings, keeping them fresh, attractive, and exciting. Hello, my name is Jerry Stoneham, and I am the owner and operator of S&H Renovations, a full-service general contractor specializing in hotel renovations and tenant improvements. We have been in business since the early 1980s, and we have completed projects up and down the West Coast from San Diego to Seattle.
My name is Peter Friedman. I'm the general manager of the Hotel Vertigo. The property has 102 rooms, 7 stories. The building was one of the exterior locations for the movie Vertigo. We chose S&H Construction after much consideration and looking at a lot of vendors. I had the pleasure of working with Jerry in the past at another property called the Stanford Park Hotel in Menlo Park. So myself and the Director of Operations knew him, and we're both pleased with his past performance and felt very comfortable moving forward with him on the job. He was the primary contractor. What impresses us the most was that he had a lot of experience in the industry working with hotels and knew the impact that a construction project can have on your business and your just your image in general. So he was very particular about the way he conducted his the construction. His staff knew that there were certain things you couldn't do, and he kind of wanted to make it almost seamless where you wouldn't know there was a construction going on.
If you are a hotel owner or manager, you know how important it is to keep your facilities attractive, fresh, and appealing to your guests. A guest likes to feel as if they are the first person to stay in that room. This necessitates periodic improvements to guest rooms, lobbies, public corridors, and public spaces. We at S&H Renovations specialize in renovating hotels while they are open and operating. Our crews are trained to minimize the impact on guests and hotel operations alike. We are vertically integrated so that most renovation tasks are completed by our own employees. They're not subcontracted out. We are a turnkey operation, so once a design and scope of work is developed, we can manage the project from start to finish. Unlike most general contractors, we understand the need to minimize noise, dust, and inconvenience to guests and hotel staff. So we work very closely with management, engineering, and housekeeping to minimize the disruption to guests and hotel operations.
Hi, my name's Chad Olson, currently General Manager at the Hotel Adagio. The primary reason why I've continued to work with Jerry without a doubt in all of my projects is the seamless transition of going through the guest rooms and not displacing or interrupting guests in any way whatsoever. It's been a great experience.
I'm Tim Korzip with TJK and Associates. We've been in the wall covering renovation, high-end residentials, and boutique hotels for close to 35 years now. I've known Jerry Stoneham at S&H Renovation for approximately 20 years of that. We specialize in these sometimes very difficult installations in that the entire hotel is occupied. Therefore dovetailing occupied floors with unoccupied floors and maintaining the integrity of the hotel at all times. So at times it can be a little bit challenging, but we've managed to make a go of it for the past 20 years. Clients include the likes of the Kimpton Group, Joie de Vie, Hyatt, Marriott, and the Hilton.
We have completed hotel renovation projects ranging in size from 50 rooms to 750 rooms. We'd be happy to meet personally with your owners or managers to review your plans or your needs. Renovations not only allow a hotel to stay competitive, but also increase your revenues. If you're considering renovations, please call to see if we can be of assistance. Thanks.